Hey guys, we received this Hermon Clotrimazole Antifungal Treatment Cream. So this is a combination kit of a cream as well as of a soap, and this is uh, the active ingredient is clotrimazole in this one, and as we cannot claim anything, but I can of course explain the product. So this you see like comes in this really nice gift pack thing, and the case the soap came in this nice soap dish, as well as the nice case to protect from water. So it's nice smell that I can have, and it's a nice soothing soap and feel that I can see. You see like nice soap dish, and then the nice case to put in, but the soap is really smooth, and feel is also nice. The cream, let me just open this up and show it to you. As I cannot put any medical claim or anything here, so I'm not going towards that one. I can only show you the texture for the cream, and you can see like the texture is smooth, nice, and you can just easily put on your skin. So nice cream and nice soap and the kit both are helpful, so you can easily use for the purpose, and you can see like the active ingredient as well. So pretty good with a meshy soap case as well. It's very nice.